Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to talk about the super method in Python and how it helps with inheritance. So I'm going to create a couple classes here. One will inherit from the other class. The first class I'll create will be called person, and I'll create under a init method. And in that, I'll take in a first name, a last name, and an age. And I'll say self.first equals first, self.last equals last, and self.age equals age. I'll also create a dunder repr method. Okay, and in that I'll return an f string, and I'll say something like this is a person, and then pass in the first name, and then a space, pass in the last name, and do something like is, and then let's do self dot age, and we'll do years old. Okay. All right, so we'll go down to here and let's create an instance of this class to test it out before we start using super. So I'll say person underscore one equals person. Let's say the name is Billy. Last name, let's do McBilly. And let's do an age of 21. Okay. And now if I print out person one, the printable representation should say something. Person, Billy McBilly, is 21 years old. Okay, so let's run it. And we see Billy McBilly is 21 years old. So we're getting what we expect. Pretty cool. All right, so let's now create another class, and this will be a class called student. So I'll do class student, and I'll do a dunder net, and we'll pass in self, and then first, last, age. Let's do GPA, and let's do credits earned. Okay. And instead of typing self.first equals first, self.last equals last, self.age equals age, what I can do is I can inherit from the person class. So right by student, I'm just going to inherit from the person class. And then I can use the super method. So I can type in super and then dot dunder init, and I'll do first, last, and age. Okay. And then what will that do is we'll set self.first equal to first, self.last equal to last, self.age equal to age. Okay, then what I can do is I can then do self dot GPA equals GPA, self dot credits, let me spell it correctly, credits underscore earned equals credits underscore earned. And now let's make a printable representation here. So I'm going to create this dunder repr and pass in self, and we'll return an f string, and we'll say something like student, and we'll do self dot first, self dot last, do a comma, self dot age, years old, do a comma, GPA colon, let's do self dot GPA, and then we'll do a credits earned colon, and we'll do self dot credits earned. Okay. All right. So now let's instantiate an instance of the student class. So let's say student underscore one, hit the wrong button there, student underscore one equals student, and we'll do Billy, McBilly. He's going to be 21 still. Let's say he's a pretty good student, so 3.6 GPA, and he currently has earned 45 credits. Way to go, Billy. And now let's print out student one. And let's format everything and then run it. And now we get student, Billy McBilly, 21 years old, GPA equals 3.6, credit earned equals 45. So we can use the super here to call this from the person class because we're inheriting from the person class. Okay. What we could also do, let me get some word wrap here. So do some soft wrap here because I want to add on to the string. And let's do something like, I don't know, we'll just call this also underscore person. We'll do super dot under repper. Okay. And we could say something like, we could set this equal to student equals this, and then we could do something like student plus equals also person, and maybe we want a space or something here, and then we could return student. Okay, so let's run this now, and we see student Billy McBilly, 21 years old, GPA 3.6, credits earned 45. Person Billy McBilly is 21 years old. So yeah, so we can add on. We could maybe make it a little bit more readable. Do also space something like that. Rerun it, and we get also person. Billy McBilly is 21 years old. So what we've done here is we've used the super method to call methods from the parent class that the student class is inheriting from, which in this case is person. So hopefully this video was helpful to you to get to understand how you could use a super function, and maybe it'll give you some cool ideas in your own programs. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next one.